What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Traded stock, HEPA, HEPA. It got me a few weeks ago, but I got it today. Check it out. Well, guys, today HEPA had a big gap up, as you see here, from just under 250 all the way up here to 433. That's a big gap up. It had some news, biotech stuff. HEPA does hepatic stuff, so liver, etc. So I think it had some. The news was it had some good results on some testing on rats, on their liver, obviously, and it gapped up. It gapped up really big. It started yesterday in after hours. That's when all the action started, and it just continued on over to today. But before we jump in, do me a quick favor, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel and check out WAFU. This thing has some news too. It's some sort of educational company in China, but it's made a huge move from $1 and change. Wow, all the way up here to like 570. It's up 277% right now, and it sure looks like it wants to go. But the volume is extremely spotty and very, very light. Like very light. This stock is not for the faint of heart right now, that's for sure. It's tested. It's what I believe it's his IPO pricing back here, which has been 520, and high a day today is in the 570s. So if it gets back up there, we could see another squeeze. It halted twice, and both times it gapped up. Like it pushed from here up here to 270s, halted, gapped up to 3s, halted up here at $4, gapped up over here to like the 5s. 525 was the high. Just a monster. Just a monster. But anyways, my trade was HEPA, and it was very simple, straightforward trade. Based off of the daily. Let me get that daily here for you, and this right here is the recording we'll go over. So as you see the daily here, I had a line drawn down here at 460, 470, and it made a low day of like 460, 459, something like that. What was the low day? 376 is the low day. My line is down here around 370, and 376 is the low day. So it was based off of simply these tops right here. This top right here. Let me move this chart a little bit. There we go. It's based off of this top right here, this top right here, and this top right here. Old resistance becomes new support. Simple theory. And we opened up, dropped, and we started to hold this 375 area with VWAP as resistance. So I was like, okay, well, this is simple. Jumped in, 2,000 shares, 388. My stop is 371, I think I put my stop at, or 374, something like that. No, 371 was my stop. I had a hard stop out, and I said, okay, this is good. We opened up, pulled it in, decreasing volume here above this support area, resistance at VWAP. I'm like, okay, this is perfect. I'm looking to take profits as we break up over VWAP. I had not taken 2,000 shares at once. I took 1,000 shares at 378. And then I added when we were about to break VWAP. So we'll go ahead and fast forward this a little bit. We're testing VWAP right there. I'm like, okay, well, VWAP still resistance. And I'm expecting we pull it back to 375. And what I'm thinking is if we stick it at 375, shorts are going to get very uncomfortable. And that's exactly what we do. We pulled it all the way back down here to this 375 area. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm about to get stopped out. This is going to suck. And all of a sudden, it just takes it right back up. Look at that. It takes it all back right there. Look at that. That is bullish. That is bullish. Real nice volume on that bounce attempt. Look at that. It took it all right back. We're still under VWAP, so VWAP is still resistance. Volume increased on that. Volume increased on that bounce. And then right there, boom, we got the first push. I take some profits off there, 1,000 shares off at 415. You see right there, 415. And then I'm holding on to 1,000 shares from 394 add, thinking we're going to break up above this and go to 450. We take it back, so I stop out of the rest at a small loss. And that was it. Real nice trade. And while we're doing this recap, WAFU went absolutely insane again and went all the way up here to $6.22. This thing is nuts. A big increase in volume right there. Big increase in volume. It's up 360% right now. Let me show you the top losers and winners of the day right there. WAFU, $5.81, 360% increase, 1.18 million shares in the float. And that thing is vicious. These are the trade idea scanners, guys. Remember the coupon code in the description section below, 15% off trade ideas. And look at it as it was just smashing through high a day right there. That thing's a beast. That thing is a beast. We'll keep an eye on that. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. There's more to come. I will be doing a part 3 to the Traps Not to Fall Into Your 20s series coming up here in the next few days. And I hope to catch you on the next one.